Out here with the Tello, the lovely Tello, and what we are going to try to do is that we are going to try to do a range test, a stock range test. And the reason I'm doing it here, okay, is because if it gets away and starts flying away, it'll hit into those fences over there. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. So we're going to fly it that way, and then if it goes nuts, it'll fly and hit those fences right there, so it won't disappear on me. Okay, so let's get some video started. Yay. And let's take off. Now I'm not going to go up real high because I don't want it to fly away like it did on me that one day. Okay, let me slow the flight speed down a little bit. Okay, so right now it's not showing my distance. It's only showing my height. Well, that's bogus. I thought that it had the telemetry on there. I'm already losing the signal. The Wi-Fi signal is already starting to break up. Okay, so it's saying I'm at 26 feet. Here comes some, I don't know, some dude. He looks like he's some kind of lacrosse player or something. Okay, well, I was under the impression that the Tello had telemetry. Let me get over this way a little bit away from that dude, because he's going to be on the ball field. He's practicing. Let's see how far I am here. Okay, it says I'm already going out of range, and I'm guessing where I'm at there. Let me see if I can get a little bit more. Okay, I got a little bit more. Let me go a little bit more. Oh, actually, the range on this is... Okay, it stopped. Okay, so there's no more Wi-Fi signal, but that's pretty far. Actually, I never thought this thing would go anywhere near this far, because I know that's about 250 feet away. That's about how far away I am, about 250 feet. So I'm going to bring it back. Okay. So hey, I was pretty impressed with that, actually. I had no idea that thing would fly that far. Boy, this thing flies a lot better than it did when it first came out. You know, when it first came out, you know, first flight I had on it, it flew away in that tree. So it's performing a lot better now. It's still doing that thing with me where it tells you about the update and all that. Every time I turn it on, even if there's no update. Let me go out here and go up in the air. Yeah, so that made it out there about, I think it's like 250 feet to the, I mean, you got to remember, this is a baseball field, okay? It's like 300 feet out here to the, and this is a big field. It's not like some little, you know, real baby ballpark type deal. It's pretty decent size. So I'm taking it up. I'm going to take it up until we lose the signal. So we're at 70 feet now, 70, 80, 89, 90. That's it, 94 feet on the height. That's all it'll let you. It's video's looking pretty clear on the screen, but it is dropping out. I'm losing the signal. So I have to bring it down. So I got up there to that 98 feet or whatever. But I think that's locked into the firmware. That 98 feet. But the video's looking really good. This is like about the best that I've ever seen it look, actually. So yeah, it did real good, man. It did real good. Maybe it has telemetry if you use the, if you just use the phone to control it. So, yeah. I think it did good. So it made it like 250 feet. That's a guess. I would say between 225 and 250. Because I remember when I did that breeze, that made it 300, you know, that's built into the firmware for the breeze. It made it 330 feet, I think, and it was like right at the basketball court. You know, it was right over the fence of the basketball court when I had that breeze, test. So, yeah, Tello, man, Tello's looking good today. This is best. I think this is about the best this thing's ever flown for me today. Yeah, real nice, man, real nice. All right, guys, we'll stop the video. Yeah, it did good, man. Tello, I'm impressed. I'm impressed with the mighty Tello. Today was the best flight I ever had with it. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.